change about the world is the way you think of me. Why should women be forced to hear the catcalls that violate our essence and being while you feel that you've accomplished something? I hate when I feel unsafe. You do that to me. Do you think I'll respond to you when you categorize me or call me? I'm not that person. Please try to understand.
I need to tell you, I really need to tell you, I'm sorry. It shouldn't have happened. It just seemed like the right thing to do at the time. Maybe if, I don't know, the circumstances were different. Don't think I don't respect you. I just didn't know better. Anyways, I'm sorry again. I thought it was a compliment.
I need to tell you that you were an asshole. It's not like I never told you before, but I don't think you understand. I don't think you want to understand. Was it rape if I said I didn't want to, but I decided to stay? You had no respect for me. You didn't listen, and you got what you wanted. But me, what about